Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look at this volume here and just gigantic volume, well above average. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But the first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And that means, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $3.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.15, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above $3.15, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keywords certainly being moving. I get it. The price is way up here. This line's way down here. But as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant. And that's going to be helpful because when it comes to gauging and measuring the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yes, staying above 315 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, need to squeeze down the chart here a little bit to offer up some perspective. But next key overall area of resistance to watch very closely, going to be right, that makes it easy, right up there at that $4 mark. So $4, first key level of resistance to watch. And then if the price can push up through there, next key level after that, right up there at about $4.40. So $4 and then $4.40, next two key battlegrounds to watch going forward. But yeah, anyway, look at it, monster volume, very nice price movement. Let's see what happens with this one next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.